Hey, what's happening, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your photos and videos off your iPhone permanently. Sometimes we delete them and we think we delete them off of our phone, but the storage is still there. We wonder why. Well, I'll get that for you. So let's select the picture. We'll delete this one. Alright, so right now I deleted it off of my phone. However, it's still in my storage. It's still in my space. And it stays here for about 29 days so I can recover it if I deleted it by accident. To permanently delete it to free up space, let's go to recently deleted. And from here, I could delete all or recover, and I choose to delete. Now officially it's off my phone, space has been cleared, and I can continue on taking pictures and photos, filling up my storage once again. There is an alternative here. If I go back to library, delete a couple more. So the second way to do it is to go to settings, general, iPhone storage, photos, and from here I could empty the recently deleted album. This will permanently delete all videos and photos kept in this album for 29 days from deletion. So I press empty. This will permanently delete the selected items. This cannot be undone. That's okay. I'll save it at 3.2 megabytes. Bang. And now it's gone. If you have any questions on how to delete your photos and videos permanently, leave them in the comments section. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.